So he is actually posting on my video talking about what is Facebook Marketing Partner Program. What are the benefits and stuff like that. I actually did a video about that because we are actually now they call it a meta business partner, which is as a business partner, we need to actually qualify as, there are 2 tiers now, used to be 3. Now 2 tiers, the first tier is if you actually spend more than $5,000 in the last 6 months, you are eligible to apply. However, I am told that this program is not available in every countries in the world. In fact, they just launched in Malaysia about 3 years ago. And that's when we got into the program. And I think they actually launched in Iraq just about a year plus ago. So as we are making this video, of course. So when they are new in your country, it might take some time for them to kind of like talk to you and offer you this. But nonetheless, you can actually go and Google, Meta Marketing Partner right now. Used to be Facebook Marketing Partner. And they should land you to a page where you can apply. So applying is the only thing that you can do right now. So once you apply, they will actually scan you through, and when you're eligible, they will invite you to join the program. So Leopax is asking, you have doubt about a partner, I would say, right? I'm not sure about what panel, but I'm assuming that you're posting on a partner program, you're talking about a partner. Could you help me to solve them? I'm not sure about your problem, but nonetheless, if you're talking about you are not able to get into the partner program, that's not something that I can help you with. In fact, I tried to help my client from Iraq. We couldn't actually get the workaround. So you still have to find your way to kind of apply, because everything for this part of the thing, everything has got a procedure. So you just have to go through that.